The discovery of the Komodo dragon, scientifically known as Varanus komodoensis, in 1910 marked a significant event in the annals of herpetology. Western scientists, coming across this formidable reptile on the Indonesian islands of Komodo, were amazed by its sheer size and presence. Standing as the world's largest lizard, the Komodo dragon can grow up to 3 meters in length and weigh up to 166 kilos. This phenomenon, known as insular gigantism, is primarily attributed to the lack of significant predators within its natural habitat. The Komodo dragon is classified as a super predator, adopting an ambush style of hunting. Its diet includes deer, goats, wild pigs, and carrion. One of its most fascinating evolutionary adaptations is its extreme olfactory abilities, which allow it to detect prey up to kilometers away. Initially, it was believed that the Komodo dragon's bite was deadly due to the presence of virulent bacteria in its saliva. However, contemporary research has revised this understanding, revealing that it employs a combination of physical trauma and venom to subdue its prey. The venom, produced by glands in its mouth, contains anticoagulants that inhibit blood clotting, leading to shock and potential mortality in its targets. Furthermore, the Komodo dragon engages in a highly competitive breeding season from May to August. Males engage in vicious combats over females. Females, post-copulation, lay between 15 to 35 eggs in abandoned nests. These eggs incubate over 7 to 8 months, with the young hatching in the spring. In addition to conventional sexual reproduction, some populations of Komodo dragons have exhibited parthenogenesis, a rare reproductive strategy where females produce offspring without male fertilization, which is especially advantageous in isolated habitats. Komodo dragons inhabit hot, arid environments, such as savannas and tropical forests at low elevations, relying on external heat to regulate their ectothermic bodies. This reliance leads them to be most active during daylight, seeking respite in shaded areas. Yet, human expansion and infrastructural developments in Komodo's natural habitats have resulted in a shrinking distribution range, pushing the species to be listed as endangered by the IUCN. The Komodo dragon plays a crucial role within its ecosystem, acting as a pivotal predator that controls the population of other species, thus maintaining ecological balance on Komodo and Rinca Islands. Feeding habits of the Komodo dragon are not limited to live prey. They are scavengers that consume carcasses and can prey on animals as large as water buffalo. Their formidable jaw strength enables them to consume substantial chunks of flesh, often swallowing prey whole. Their acute sense of smell, though not located in the nasal cavity, is facilitated by their forked tongues that capture scent particles, enabling them to locate food over extensive distances. Territorial and solitary by nature, the Komodo dragon only congregates with others during mating or at feeding sites. This isolationist behavior extends to marking territories with feces to ward off rivals. During critical times like winter, they seek shelter in burrows, reducing metabolic rates to conserve energy. Interestingly, Komodo dragons exhibit sophisticated hunting strategies, lying in wait to ambush and delivering forceful attacks aimed at the underbelly or neck of their prey. Newly hatched Komodo dragon juveniles seek refuge in trees to evade cannibalistic adults, only descending when they are large enough to defend themselves. Despite their fearsome reputation, Komodo dragons are not inherently aggressive towards humans, although historical and isolated incidents of attacks have been noted, primarily due to human encroachment or mishandling. Culturally, on Komodo Island, these dragons are revered and integral to local biodiversity, often referred to as soil crocodiles or giant monitors. However, they face numerous threats, including habitat loss from urban development, poaching for their skins and meat, and climate change altering their habitat dynamics. Conservation efforts are in place to ensure the survival of the Komodo dragon, with legal protections against hunting and habitat encroachment. National parks, such as Komodo National Park, are dedicated to safeguarding these majestic creatures and their ecosystems.